Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming basics: Bluetooth on, battery adequate, and the peripheral in pairing mode. Open the app now and allow Bluetooth plus location access. The app needs both to scan reliably. Once the app lists nearby devices, tap the correct device name. The app shows signal strength so you can confirm proximity. If a PIN or code appears, enter it exactly as displayed. Make sure to move closer if scans fail. Distance matters for stable discovery. Once connected, you configure how the device behaves. Tap Settings in App to choose profile, data rate, and any sleep or timeout values. These affect battery and responsiveness. You should map controls or sensors to app functions, then hit Save so the device retains changes. Test each feature. Stream a sample, press control buttons, and watch response times. If something feels laggy, lower data rate or increase Bluetooth priority in phone settings. This reduces interference. You finish by verifying saved settings and running a full test of all controls and sensors. If firmware updates are available, apply them and repair afterward. Updates often fix bugs. If connection drops, try this key troubleshooting step. Toggle Bluetooth off and on, close the app fully, then reopen and reconnect. Make sure to restart both devices if problems persist, and clear the app cache as a last resort. This removes corrupt data that can block pairing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.